Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, Cook with Mrs. Umami. In this video, I'm going to bake the Honey Whole Wheat Loaf. It is an easy recipe without kneading. Let's get started. I use lukewarm buttermilk. Add some sugar. Dry yeast. Honey. One egg. Add some softened unsalted butter. Mix well, then set aside. Prepare some bread flour. Whole wheat flour. Add a little salt, then mix them well. Gradually add the fluid to the flour. Mix them until no loose flour in the bowl, then cover with a lid. Let the dough proof for 1 hour. One hour later, let's check the dough. Remove the air. Spread some vegetable oil onto the cling film. Transfer the dough to the cling film. Cover the dough, then let it rest for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, the size has doubled. Flour the dough. Degas again. From one end, all the way roll up. Do the same thing again and keep it very tight. Transfer the dough to the baking tin. Flour the surface. Cover the dough, then let it rest for 40 minutes. While waiting, preheat the oven at 340 Fahrenheit. I will bake the bread for 40 minutes at 340 Fahrenheit. After 40 minutes, the bread is ready. Let's do the calculation. This is the price list of all my ingredients. So this honey whole wheat bread cost me $2.50. I will enjoy my toast with a cup of tea. Thanks for watching my video.